Code breaker. Code systems. Choose from different types of codes. Set the difficulty. Solve puzzles of various lengths at 3 levels of difficulty.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Code Breaker app. At the top of the app, you can see the code which you have to decode. At the bottom of the app, you can see the key to the code. When solving a puzzle, simply drag and drop letter tiles onto the solution line. If your solution is correct, a green tick appears. When you have solved the puzzle, click on the arrow to get a new one. You can also try to solve longer, more difficult puzzles. Slide horizontally on the set of letter tiles in order to find the letter you need. If you wish to change the skin of the app, click here. Click on this icon and choose from the many different types of codes. Click on one of these icons to set the level of difficulty. At this level of difficulty, every symbol in the code and the letters in the set are of the same color. However, at this level, the colors of the symbols in the code and the colors of the letter set do not correspond. Visit our website for further information about our apps.